Uh-oh.
Oh!
Boss, what jam nitty-gritty, we're listening to the boy from the big band. Oh, you've started, have you? Sorry, I was just touching the nipple.
Hey guys, Jake here again from Off-Road TV.
Darren from Off-Road TV. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, it's been a little while.
It's been a while.
Mm.
Too much beer.
You've been in rehab.
For my I was on my paper mache championship.
Yeah, he was at the European Champions this time. Okay,
So,
what are we doing?
We've got this thing. You guys may or may not be familiar with these bags that can inflate and raise your car up. So it's basically supposed to be instead of a jack. So if you're bogged or stuck somewhere in the mud or sand, theoretically you should be able to shove this under your car, inflate it, and that should raise your car. Now, up until now, they came with, I don't know what it was, 2 tons capacity or so. Mm. This one from XBull, not a sponsor, just bought it, claims to have 5 ton capacity. So we're gonna try this. We'll see if it can lift Darren. If it can, we'll try to lift the FJ. And if that works, we'll try to lift the truck, which is about 5 tons now.
Which you haven't seen yet.
Which you haven't seen. Well, by the time the video is out, you might have.
You might have. So, just to be clear, like if you're bogged in sand, and I saw a guy do this on the beach a couple of months back. This wasn't to get, recover the vehicle just by itself, but the guy inflated it off of his exhaust. It lifted the car up enough that allowed him to get max tracks in and properly dig out his vehicle. And then from there, it was a lot easier for him to get out. So that's kind of what this would be aimed at, really, isn't it? It's not a full self-recovery. Yeah. You'd still be probably putting max tracks and things in. Yeah,
it's meant to save you an hour of digging.
Yeah,
and get the chassis of the sand. And
it also comes with this wonderful nipple.
Yeah, so most of them are designed, for so far, all of them have been designed to be inflated from your exhaust. But this one
allows you to do it off of your air compressor. So you literally just screw this into the attachment on the front of the bag, and then you just attach your normal air compressor onto this, and it'll inflate it from that. So a couple of different options. We'll see what works, but we're going to do it today with the compressor, see how that goes.
And honestly, if you don't have an air compressor to inflate your tires, you shouldn't be off-road and you shouldn't be getting bogged. So,
but everyone's got an exhaust.
Well, everyone's got an exhaust, and the chances are that if you are driving in a place where you get bogged, you will have an air compressor. So
yeah, so if you're watching this video and you're thinking about going out and you haven't got an air compressor or a shovel or some max tracks, go and buy some.
Definitely. At least a shovel.
Yeah. All right. So I weigh about what, 1.8 tons?
Yeah. So the FJ is about 2 something?
2.2, 2.3.
And the truck is about 5 tons. Now obviously we're only lifting half of the car. We're gonna put it under the front or the rear of the truck, so we're lifting half of that weight.
Yeah.
But still, let's see if it can lift, half a ton, 2.5 tons.
Let's do it.
What are we doing?
Right, so you take this nipple thing and you just...
Can you stop calling nipple, please?
What's it called then?
Inflator valve extension. All right, nipple.
Nipple. So you take this nipple thing and you literally just put it in one turn, well not even a turn, a half turn, and that's it.
That's easy.
Take the nipple cap off.
So to give it its best chance, we've got the Sherpa big air compressor, which packs some punch.
It does.
If you want to put it in other terminology, you've got the single ARB compressor, you've got the twin ARB compressor, which everyone's familiar with. They're supposed to be double of the twin.
Wow.
So,
cool.
If it doesn't lift anything with that,
it's not going to.
And it's useless.
Okay. And this is it's got these feet on the bottom to keep it
they're spiky.
Sturdy.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, have a seat.
Right.
You just sit down all the way.
Well, this doesn't feel weird.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna shove this in there for you.
Okay, just be careful where you put
your
that.
Nipple.
Yeah, put the nipple between my legs.
And I'm gonna inflate you.
Okay.
I should probably turn the compressor on. Are you going up?
Yeah, I'm going up.
So I guess we could say that it lifted you up.
All right, put it in the comments. How much do you think I weigh? Be nice.
Well, less than 5 tons.
A little bit. But yeah, that I'm like, oh,
Oh.
Okay, well, test number 1. That's gone pretty well.
All right, let's see if it goes onto the FJ and lifts the FJ up.
Yeah.
Hey, the wheel is off the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, if you're sitting on your chassis,
Yeah.
this will lift it up.
You'd be getting max tracks in under there now
Easy
and stuff.
now.
And yeah.
You push, instead of digging,
Yeah.
you lift it up,
Yeah.
kick the sand back into the hole,
Yeah.
put a max track on top, and then just drive off.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it on the truck. All right.
And press go.
So we're just gonna move a little bit further from here. So the compressor can pump up, I think, 120 psi into it.
Yeah.
Then it will stop.
Okay.
Well, it's either gonna lift the truck up or it's gonna explode.
One or the other. My money's on it exploding.
Yeah, let's just stand a little bit further back. You guys can't see it, but we're like 10 meters away from this now.
Oh, there we go.
Oh. So, this tells us one thing. The truck definitely got lifted into the air off the ground.
The truck moved, yeah. But we're on hard ground on a bit of a slope, which is, you know, perfectly safe.
Yeah, it teaches you one thing, what you just saw. Don't rely on this as a safe jack and don't climb under the vehicle when it's sitting on top of it inflated. So,
And again, if you were stuck in sand in a big rut, yeah.
at this point, if I would go somewhere alone, I'd rather have this than not.
Yeah.
And considering we'll show you how small it is when it deflates, it doesn't take my space.
Yeah.
And it weighs 2 kilos, 3 kilos.
And let's be honest, most people don't have a 4.5 ton truck.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
I mean, okay, there's some big rigs out there, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Like for the FJ, it did perfectly fine. And it packs into a small bag. It's light.
Look, I think it wouldn't necessarily be my first go-to, right? But if I was on a beach by myself or something and I was stuck, then
Soft sand, because
Yes.
it has really wide base.
yeah.
You wouldn't need any like
Yeah.
jack platforms and stuff. Jacks often sink into the sand
Yeah.
anyways.
And look, we're trying, for the purposes of this video, we're trying to lift the truck, right? You
Yeah.
wouldn't necessarily maybe go that far, but yeah.
Yeah.
It just lifted it, and it lifted that, and it would have been enough to get.
Yeah.
It would have been
And it
enough to-
didn't explode. So.
Yeah.
So yeah, I guess it's recommended. Buy it.
Yeah.
Consider it.
Consider it at least.
Consider it.
But maybe be a little more safer than we are.
Yeah. Just
Keep out of the way of it.
Yeah.
Stand back. And
That said, if you're fully bogged in the sand,
yeah.
it's not gonna really fall anywhere or move anywhere.
No, that's what I mean. If you're in deep ruts, then yeah.
So
we're sitting on.
It gives you the clearance to get in.
No,
All right.
Yeah. Why not?
Well, hope you like this short video. If you did, make sure you like it and subscribe. If you didn't like it, let us know why.
If you think we're crazy, let us know why. I'm
Yeah.
sure there'll be some. It's okay, by the way. We haven't quit our day jobs, so it's all good.
Yeah, no, we haven't. All right, guys. See you on the next one.
Thanks, guys. See ya. There you go. That's not hard to take with you, and it weighs nothing. So, yeah, always good to have some extra recovery gear. Never know when you might need it, and yeah, just be careful with it.